Salutations. My name is Michael J. Turner. I am the Southwest Shaman, and you are shining with the Arizona sun. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here. Coming with love from AZ. This is StereoPHX 888. This is one bar by my favorite rapper. It's been around quite a while. If you don't know who he is, check his catalog. I believe the bar that this song comes from is on Street's Disciple. Okay? It's a double disc album. The reason it came to mind was I was in my studies, right? And this concept was brought to me, and it linked, it sparked a thought within my mind. You know, this seed was already planted. Because look, self-awareness is the key to being able to oversee and overstand, therefore allowing me to be unshifted internally as the pendulum swings, because it will inevitably swing, but whatever the situation or circumstance, I can alchemize that. So awareness is my alias, and through that I can recognize synchronicity and follow those things as I navigate something such as going to jail. So, you know, I don't have to be shifted, because otherwise, if I'm lacking this level of awareness, the smallest thing might shift me, because I'm unable to oversee and overstand the circumstance or situation, person, place, or thing for what it is, the big picture. That's all it is. Seeing the big picture and being able to be impartial to it or decide how I feel. You know? So, peace, Nas, and thank you, because awareness is my alias. Like and subscribe. This is StereoPHX 888. Check out my other channel, Abstract Personal Development, for detailed explanations of these gems. And this is StereoPHX 888. I am the Southwest Shaman. This is how I'm saving myself as I go on my path of awakening and ascension. So like I said, hit that subscription button if you haven't already. Like this video and share it around. And put something in the comments. I love y'all. Love yourself. Love each other. Peace.